Okay, Kelly, so in this situation, you don't need a production layer. And the reason you don't need a production layer is because this is all one solid shape, right? So in our course project, you had uh, the caricature was built out of several different shapes that are all on several different layers. The problem there is how do you select all of those shapes, right? So to create a continuous shadow. That's where a production layer comes in. You gather all of the parts that are used to create that, all the different layers used to create the creature. You compile them into one layer, then create a layer shadow out of that layer. In this situation, you don't need to do that because this is all one continuous shape, right? So it's really easy. What you would do here in this situation is just select the tiger. I'm gonna mask, so I'm gonna command click. It would be control click on the thumbnail to bring up that selection since you've already got the mask made, right? So I'm just gonna come over here and command click. That brings up the selection. Now at this particular time, I need to create a new layer. So all I'm going to do is going to come down here and create a new layer. Now that layer is going to be on top of the tiger, as we can see, so I need to bring it down below the tiger. Now with that layer selected, and I can even just go ahead and name that right now, tiger shadow. Okay, so there's the tiger shadow layer. Right now I've got that layer selected and I've got the selection live, right? At this point, I just come across the menu across the top of the screen and I say edit and I choose fill. When that fill dialog box comes up, I'm going to fill that with black, okay? So at this point, there is, if I turn, there's the tiger shadow, right? There's the tiger layer, the shadow's behind it. At this point, I can deselect the marching ants. Okay, I'm in my move tool, and as I move that over, you can see there's the tiger. Whoops. Then here's the tiger shadow. Whoops. Here's the tiger shadow right there. I don't know why I keep kind of moving back to the tiger layer. Oh, the reason I keep moving back to the tiger layer is because I've got auto select selected. So when I would click on that, it's grabbing the tiger, not the shadow. So if I unclick auto select and I come to my tiger shadow layer, there's my tiger shadow. Okay, so at this point, all I need to do is come on that layer, tiger shadow layer. I'm just going to come to edit, transform, distort. Then you can just do your distortion, right? And let's try to get that tiger somewhere. Okay, I'm just doing this quickly, right? So here we are over here. We'll just okay that. And then we'll take that tiger shadow layer and we'll reduce the opacity considerably. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. So that would be the technique. Now, keep in mind, I took my time with this, so that shadow's not as accurate as it should be in that distortion portion. I really went quickly. So, okay, and that's all there is to it. So again, in summary, you don't need a production layer on a object that's already one continuous shape, as we see in the tiger. Okay, makes sense? All right, let me know how this works out for you. Okay, thank you very much.